Hey, let me show you how to create a space to communicate with your team. In the Cisco Webex Teams app, all your work takes place in spaces, where you can send messages, make calls, have video meetings, share files, and whiteboard. To get started, simply click the Add button at the top of the screen. Then choose Create a Space. Next, you'll want to name your new space and add your team. Type people's names to add them to the space. Spaces work best for a group of people collaborating on a specific topic or project. Then click Create. You are now ready to communicate and collaborate with the team. Use @all to get everyone's attention, letting them know about this new project space. Give it a try.